Good morning and Jai Hind students. I am Nutan Gupta sending the video of chapter Internet Online Surfing. Exercise of this chapter. Brain Developer. Now first we will do the fill in the blanks. First question is dash shows user to send instant message back the fourth of the each other. You have to fill online chat. Now second question, N dash is a virtual meeting place for the individual who share the same interest. E-group. Now third is dash is the short form of the malicious software. Malware. 4. A program that is secretly embedded on a computer system to steal, corrupt and destroy data is known as virus. Sentence number 5. Dash can be defined as a medium of delivering television content over an internet connection. Last one is internet TV. Now we will discuss true and false. First sentence, a worm attacks a computer by attaching itself to other files or computers. False. Second one is a signature is a bit of a personalized text which is inserted at the bottom of every mail. True. Third is BCC stands for blue carbon copy. False. It is blind carbon copy. The fourth is a file larger than 25 MB cannot be sent as an attachment. False. True. There will be a condition, then we will send. Now sentence number 5. E-learning is a more expensive and compared to traditional ways of learning. False. Now we will discuss MCQ. First question is, first email was sent by Paul? No. Raymond Samuel Tomlinson. Now second is a type of software that secretly collect information about an online user. Answer is spyware. The username and the domain name, parts of the email address, are separately by the @ symbol. Now fourth question, an email attachment is indicated with a paperclip icon. Now value application based questions. Mr. Nanda wants to conduct a corporate meeting between all the branches of his company across the country. He wants to have a face-to-face conversation with all the regional manager. Which internet service should be used for this virtual meeting? Yes. What should be the answer? It should be video conferencing. Now second question. Rohini wants to send the copy of an official mail to multiple recipients. She does not want to let the main recipient know the name of the other person receiving the same email. Which feature should be used for the same? BCC, blind carbon copy. Now, this is the write a short note on e-learning and internet radio. You have to do by yourself, and some questions you have to complete by your book.